trust can either make us or it can break us. While marketing, trust is very important. If we are able to build trust with our consumers, then it becomes very easy to sell them our product. So this is the story of the number one brand out there on the freelancing niche, which is Fiverr. So the Fiverr basically provides the customer with the gigs, right? So they can go there and buy services. So right now, if we go out there on the Fiverr, then the criteria which are laid down by the Fiverrs, right, from which the buyer gets to know about seller are basically the customer reviews, certifications which the seller can provide, and the description which they can write in the about the seller section. So whenever we are looking at this thing, then do you think that this is the most reliable way to trust the person on the other side? Can't it be created in a fake way? Can't it be wrong? So this is something which comes in the way to success for the Fiverr, because the most of the time the sellers are not able to perform up to the expectation of the buyer, and because of this, whenever the big companies are going out there, they don't prefer to hire on this platform because it creates a lot of problem for them, both because the process becomes very slow, right? And along with the process becoming slow, the quality also decreases. More than 75% reviews on the Fiverr are very negative. They have 1 star rating, so it means that the customer are very unsatisfied. They are not able to get good service. So at this point of time, what is the best way to build the trust among their customers? The best way by which they can do so is by introducing a video call feature. When they will introduce this feature, then they will be able to build that trust again, because whenever we are coming out there on the video call, then it becomes very easy to fake. If we are saying in our bio that I have worked for the 10 years, then that is something which will get shown in our personality. That is something which will be visible in our confidence, right? And in turn, it will be able to identify the person on the other hand more accurately, right? We can also ask on the spot some questions and get some responses, and on those responses we can decide that whether do we really want to hire that person or not. And this is something which will help Fiverr to re-innovate their brand. And because right now they only have this chat feature, and with this chat feature, it is creating a lot of problem for the buyers also, right? So even if there are 5 star rating on the Fiverr, the services which the customer is getting really sucks. So this is how the Fiverr can rebrand its market value, and it can definitely advertise itself saying search, meet, discuss, and then buy, rather than saying or doing search, buy, chat, and most probably get unsatisfied from the seller, right? So this is something which can help Fiverr build again one of the most consumer loving brand, because the freelancing thing is going to stay here for a very long time. It is future, and if Fiverr is able to do this thing right now, then it is definitely will be able to create a huge customer base in the future. So with this, I am Charchit Mangal signing off today's presentation.